To add iPhone symbol in your Snapchat name, all you have to need on your smartphone, open a browser. In browser, search for iPhone symbol, and now open this first link that comes from Apple support community. Once you are in this website, here you find this Apple icon or symbol. So we have to select this symbol. So long press on the symbol, and using this handle, just copy the symbol. So you have to copy only the symbol. Once you select it, tap on copy. Once the symbol successfully copied, go back to your Snapchat, tap on your Bitmoji, tap on your name, and here paste the copied symbol and tap on save. And that's how you can actually add iPhone symbol in our Snapchat name.